Hi everyone, I am back with a new tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to trade on MetaTrader 5. In order to trade on MetaTrader 5, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, start off by creating your account. When you're done creating and verified and that you've already registered your account, what next you just have to do is you have to go and log in. When you're logged in, you can see right at the bottom there are multiple menu. So from the tab, you could go and press on trade. So you can see that current balance, equity, margin, free margin, all of that information. Currently, I don't have any sort of assets or any sort of deposit amount, so I'm unable to proceed on to the next step. But when you actually have a deposit amount, or that you have a certain amount of coin or an asset, then you'll be able to trade. If you go to the code section and select an asset that you wish to go with and go to new orders, as you've done that, right at the bottom you can either go ahead and sell the asset or you could either buy the asset. So if you wish to buy, press the buy button and you can see that the procedure has been completed. Now you need to start off by entering your deposit amount in order to buy certain asset and all of that exact cryptocurrency that you wish to buy, and you'll have successfully trade on MetaTrader 5. So likewise, in order to trade, you need to first of all make sure to understand the basic procedure. If you don't know how to do it, so then you could get the help of an expert. Only then you should start with the procedure. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.